Here is the word of the day. Repertoire.
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 Ever noticed how some people seem to have a ready toolkit of moves for any situation? That's the repertoire.
I have an entire repertoire.
When I'm ready to add a few new moves to my repertoire.
The collection of skills, talents, or even the types of behavior they use over and over. It's a noun, and it can mean everything from the songs a singer performs to the little social habits a person leans on.
It's not in my repertoire to keep company with beasts.
We've added some rope tricks to the repertoire.
For example, whenever Sarah meets someone new, she flashes a warm smile and cracks a light joke, part of her social repertoire. Here's another example. The comedian's repertoire included impressions, one-liners, and hilarious personal stories. What about you? What's your repertoire? Maybe it's time to add a few more winning moves. Keep tuning in. Tomorrow's word might be the one you've been missing.